Good afternoon, students. So how come the strength is low today? All right, students, we will wait for 2 more minutes. Otherwise, we will begin the class. All right, students, so we can begin while others join in. All right. So first of all, how are your classes going on? Hanji, Sonali, Jaswinder, Gurpreet.
सही चल रही है मैम क्लासेस वगैरह।
All right, assignments वगैरह complete हो रही हैं?
मैम अभी जितनी मिली वो तो कर ली है मैम, बाकी अभी मिली नहीं है।
Okay, okay. All right, Sonali, that is good to know. Okay, so do you want to have a group discussion today or do you want to have a GK quiz? हाँ जी बच्चे, so tell me. All right, Sonali says GK quiz. What about Jaswinder and Gurpreet?
मैम आज आप ही डिसाइड कर लो, बच्चे तो कम ही है वैसे।
चलो Jaswinder also wants GK quiz. चलो फिर हम मेजोरिटी से चलते हैं, ठीक है गुरप्रीत?
यस मैम।
All right, chalo, I'll share the screen now. So if you want to reply, otherwise most welcome. If you want to reply in the chat, you are most welcome to reply in the chat as well. All right. So the first question, I have picked miscellaneous GK quiz. So this will have questions from almost all the topics. So the first question is, where is the headquarters of Botanical Survey of India? हाँ जी, Botanical Survey, botany is study of plants, right? So India, which Botanical Survey of India is also there. So where are the headquarters located? हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, Sonali.
मैम मैम
Mm-hmm.
कोलकाता।
Kolkata. All right, everyone agrees. Chalo, let's check. That is correct. So where is the Forest Research Institute located? ये आपने ना, this place is very famous because why? एक तो no doubt it is important. Other than that, it is very beautifully made, right? So यहाँ पे काफी movies की भी shooting हुई है. So after you have answered, I'll show you the place also. So before that, tell me which option is true.
मैम देहरादून।
All right, let's see. That is correct. Anji Sonali, you also gave the correct answer. So I'll show you this place. I've been here on a school trip and it was huge, very big. See, I think यहाँ पे ना कोई पता नहीं, मे बी करण जौहर की मूवी की शूटिंग हुई है, आई एम नॉट श्योर. सो इट्स अ
मैम स्टूडेंट
ह्यूज,
ऑफ द ईयर।
शायद स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की भी हुई है, उसी में थे ना ऐसे, मतलब इसका विजुअल्स दिखाए हुए हैं
यस मैम।
ऊपर से, though it was made much before. Yes, ये 1906 की बनी हुई है. पहले it was a forest school established in 1878, right? So gradually it was expanded and the Forest Research Institute was made in 1906. So a lot of, you know, data about plants, different trees, museum भी है अंदर. So if you get a chance to visit, you must visit. It's a good place. So where is Indian Institute of Petroleum located? ये आपने सुना होगा, lot of students after non-medical they also get enrolled here at Indian Institute of Petroleum. हाँ जी बच्चे, what would be the answer? Yes, Sonali. हाँ जी Nikhil, what would be the answer for this one? हाँ जी Jaswinder, yes. तो बेटा कोई ना वैसे guess मार दो in case you don't know the exact answer.
मैम विशाखापट्टनम।
All right, so let's check. Okay, this one is also in Dehradun, right? So next question check करते हैं. So which is the home of Alfonso mango? So this mango is very famous. आपने सुना होगा कि मैंगो इसका जो फर्स्ट वाला होता है, like the first batch, काफी महंगा बिकता है. It is रत्नागिरी. हाँ जी, what do you say?
मैम रत्नागिरी।
Okay, let's see. That is correct. Wonderful. So Air Force Academy is located in. हाँ जी, is it Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Kakinada or Mumbai? हाँ जी बच्चे।
A. Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, all right. Let's check. Okay, that is the correct answer. So which amidst the following sites, monuments in India is not on the UNESCO's list of World Cultural Heritage? So remember, it is not on the list. Tirupati Tirumala temples, Agra Fort, Humayun's tomb at Delhi, Keoladeo National Park. So this reminds me, we had decided that then we will just go through, the UNESCO's list of World Cultural Heritage and the sites which are a part of the list in India.
Ma'am, Humayun's tomb at Delhi.
Okay, Humayun's tomb. All right, let's see. Okay, it is Tirupati Tirumala temples. Surprisingly, मुझे तो लगा था कि शायद ये नेशनल पार्क होगा. Anyway, so the Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics is situated at. हाँ जी बच्चे, what would be the answer? All right, Sonali says Chennai. So everyone agrees with Sonali? हाँ जी बच्चे.
Ma'am, check.
Chennai? All right, I'll check for Chennai. Okay, it is Kolkata. All right, let's move further. So the song Candle in the Wind was sung by Elton John in honor of. So Sir Elton John has been a very famous singer. So this is a particular song which was sung in honor of Elizabeth Taylor, Princess Diana, Ava Gardner और Audrey Hepburn. ये Hepburn है वैसे, यहाँ पे spellings गलत है. So Princess Diana, I hope everybody knows who Princess Diana is. So everyone knows Princess Diana? Yes or no? हाँ जी बच्चे.
No, ma'am.
ओके, सो आपको ब्रिटिश रॉयल फैमिली का तो पता होगा, राइट? अभी जैसे वो प्रिंस विलियम और प्रिंस हैरी हैं, इनकी न्यूज आती रहती है ना, जैसे प्रिंस हैरी ने अभी रॉयल फैमिली छोड़ दी, सो ही शिफ्टेड टू अमेरिका विद हिज वाइफ. ये
Yes,
आपने
ma'am.
है ना न्यूज में फॉलो किया होगा. जो प्रिंस हैरी और विलियम की मदर है ना, दैट वाज प्रिंसेस डायना. So what happened around, I think in 95, she met with a road accident and she passed away. And उससे पहले भी like she already had a very, she had perhaps already applied for divorce or she was separated from her husband, like जो इनका father है, Prince Charles, right? So काफी इनके ना मतलब पूरा very favorite of the press used to follow her everywhere, right? She was very much in the media eye. Then what happened, जैसे कहीं ना कहीं पे she also, जैसे if you know, इनके बहुत ही strict rules होते हैं about how they are expected to behave, what to do, what not to do, and she was known for breaking those rules, right? So for the sake of her children, at once once it happened at school, she removed her shoes to take part in mothers की race थी, तो उसके उसमें, now that was very unlikely for a princess to do that, right? जैसे रॉयल फैमिली में इधर इंडिया में तो चलो इतना नहीं फॉलो करते क्योंकि इधर रॉयल्स ही बहुत ज्यादा है, राइट? पर वहां पे ब्रिटिश, लाइक इन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इंग्लैंड, पीपल आर क्रेजी अबाउट देम एंड दे फॉलो देम एविडली, राइट? सो नो डाउट अभी उनके पास रियल पावर नहीं है, इन द सेंस इट्स जस्ट अ नॉमिनल पावर, कि सारा कुछ होता क्वीन के नाम में, बट शी इज नॉट टेकिंग द डिसीजंस एनी मोर, राइट? बट स्टिल जैसे सेलिब्रिटीज होते हैं ना, वैसे दे आर सेलिब्रिटीज देयर एंड पीपल आर क्रेजी. जैसे जब इनकी शादी हुई थी तो वो सारा टेलीकास्ट हुआ था लाइव, राइट? सो एवरीबडी न्यू दीज डिटेल्स के गाउन कहाँ से बना है, फ्लावर्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, कौन से चर्च में हो रही है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सो प्रिंसेस डायना जो प्रिंस हैरी और विलियम है उनकी मदर थी, एंड शी पास्ड अवे वेरी यंग, right? So this is why, and she was loved by the people for her personality and for breaking the rules, that she was a very dedicated mother, right? सो अभी जैसे प्रिंसेस डायना का एग्जांपल दिया था प्रिंस हैरी ने, व्हेन ही डिसाइडेड टू लीव द रॉयल फैमिली एंड मूव टू द यूएस विद हिज वाइफ दैट इज मेगन मार्कल, राइट। सो अभी ये वाला सॉन्ग का चलो फिर गेस वर्क ही कर दो कि किसके ऑनर में गाया गया था। Audrey Hepburn is a very famous actress, right? She was there in the black and white era, I believe. Liz Taylor was also a famous actress, and ये भी इनकी movies भी पहले कुछ टाइम पहले आती थी. So not sure if अगर आपने कोई देखी हो, because मैंने भी नहीं देखी हुई. So हाँ जी बच्चे, any idea about this song?
No, ma'am.
No idea. चलो फिर प्रिंसेस डायना का चेक करके देख लेते हैं. Okay, so that is correct. It was sung in honor of Princess Diana. All right. So this is also interesting. Who gifted the Statue of Liberty standing off the New York port to the United States on the first centenary celebrations of the US? So if you know, 4th of July is US का Independence Day, right? काफी English songs में भी 4th of July की reference आती है. So you will be surprised to know that Statue of Liberty was a gift. It was not originally made in US. So any idea of who gifted it to US?
France.
All right, let's check. Very good, that was correct. Who answered this one? Vishal did?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, that is wonderful. So the Atomic Energy Commission was constituted in, so you might remember Sir Homi Bhabha was the father of atomic energy in India, father of nuclear power plants in India. So Atomic Energy जो commission था, the one responsible for overseeing the establishment of nuclear power plants, तो ये commission कौन से year में बना? हाँ जी, any guesses? Because काफी मतलब ये तो specific सा है, we might not know. चलो कुछ भी guess कर दो, A B C D, what could it be? हाँ जी बच्चे.
मैम बी.
B. So I think Sonali was about to say something else. Sonali, you agree with B option?
Ma'am, C.
C.
Ma'am, A.
Okay.
A.
So we have option A, B, and C. So we need someone to break the give another vote to one option so that we can mark one.
Ma'am, A.
A कोई कर दे. All
Ma'am,
right, let's.
C.
चलो सोनाली C कह रही है, जसविंदर D कह रहा है. ये तो okay. So A is correct. Wonderful. तो मुझे भी यही आइडिया था कि राइट आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस काफी जल्दी स्टैब्लिश कर लिया था. So who was the founder director of the TIFR? TIFR is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, a very important, very well reputed institute. तो यहाँ पे सारे ये फिजिक्स वगैरह हर एक सब्जेक्ट की काफी रिसर्च होती है. So who was the founder director? हाँ जी, SS भटनागर, होमी जे भाभा और MN साहा, विक्रम साराभाई. हाँ जी बच्चे, so who would be it? चलो गेस कर दो in case you don't know the answer.
Ma'am, B.
B. All
Ma'am, H.
right.
Bhabha.
MN साहा, कौन सा ऑप्शन बोला बेटा आपने?
A. Bhabha.
अच्छा,
H. J. Bhabha.
H. भाभा. All right, let me check. That is correct. Wonderful. So which amidst the following rural banks has been named after a river? So these are rural banks. So इनमें से river के किसका नेम इंस्पायर्ड है? हाँ जी बच्चे। हाँ जी, सो प्रथम बैंक, वर्धा ग्रामीण बैंक, अरावली क्षेत्रीय बैंक। से अरावली तो हिल्स है, सो ये वाला ऑप्शन कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। थार अंचलिक ग्रामीण बैंक, हाँ जी।
बी मैम।
बी, ऑल राइट। So I hope everyone also agrees with Sonali.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, Sonali, that is correct. So whose sale line is owner's pride, neighbor's envy? So I have not heard this one yet. Samsung की तो नहीं है, Videocon भी I don't think so. Oneida या BPL में से होगा किसी का। हाँ जी, so have you heard of this tagline?
Oneida TV.
Oneida. All right, that is correct. So World Environment Day falls on, ये तो अभी well I gave away the answer only, right?
Ma'am,
June 5th, everyone?
A.
Okay. So who among the following music composers was deaf? Now this is very interesting. So very famous music composer, however, he was deaf. Yet he managed to, compose such wonderful, timeless melodies. हाँ जी बच्चे, सो एनी गेस? काफी फेमस है, आपने नाम पक्का सुना होगा। इनमें से आपको जो फेमिलियर नेम लगता है, यू कैन गो विद दैट। So what do you say?
Ma'am, A guess.
ए।
All right, that is wonderful, right? So if I am Beethoven की ना एक जो है melody that is also used as अपना जो टाइटन का म्यूजिक शायद, अच्छा ये मोजार्ट की है, सॉरी नॉट बीथोवन। सो ये जो टाइटन का म्यूजिक नहीं आता, टाइटन वॉच की एड में आता था, आपने आई एम नॉट श्योर आपने वो देखी होगी कि नहीं। लाइक अभी आई थिंक वो एड नहीं आती, आई रिमेम्बर इट फ्रॉम व्हेन आई वाज लाइक अ चाइल्ड। तो ये मोजार्ट ही इज आल्सो वेरी फेमस, सो उनकी मेलोडी से है सिम्फनी। सो अबाउट बीथोवन, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग दैट ही वाज डेफ। So snakes and vultures are eating rats in a field. If wild dogs are let into the field, what will be the immediate result? All right, here तो ecology वाला आ गया question. So snakes and vultures are there eating rats in a field, and wild dogs are also let there. So immediate result क्या होगा? So Sonali says 4, increase in the number of snakes. So everyone agrees with Sonali?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Decrease in the number of rats. See, इसका I think I don't know क्या logic होगा, क्योंकि देखो vultures would fly away in case they feel unsafe. Snakes also have their own, they have their own burrows made or something. तो शायद सबसे पहले rats को ही खतरा होगा उससे. I mean, I'm using my own logic. I'm not sure if that is correct or not. So which state does not yet have a software technology park? हाँ जी बच्चे, सो इज इट यूपी, उड़ीसा, बिहार और राजस्थान?
Odisha.
उड़ीसा, All right, it is Bihar. उड़ीसा में आई थिंक भुवनेश्वर वाला जो रीजन है दैट इज सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क. So which of the following is not a precious or a semi-precious stone? So sapphire, ruby, emerald, pearl. Sapphire आपने देखा होगा, it's blue in color, ruby is red, emeralds are green or greenish yellow, and pearls तो we everyone knows. So इनमें से कौन सा precious stone नहीं है? हाँ जी, हाँ जी, गुरप्रीत, जसविंदर, what do you say?
मैम पर्ल.
Pearl, okay. चेक कर लेते हैं. Very good. See, pearl is not a stone, right? Pearls तो sea में बनते हैं. So from which historical work were the words Satyamev Jayate appearing under the national emblem taken? Now this is very important. So ये जो सत्यमेव जयते है हमारे नेशनल एम्बलम में भी मेंशन्ड है. So ये कहाँ से लिया गया? Was it in the Bhagavad Gita, ऋग्वेद, रामायण और मुंडक उपनिषद? हाँ जी बच्चे, ये आपने कहीं ना कहीं तो सुना होगा फॉर श्योर.
मैम रामायण.
हाँ जी, व्हाट वुड योर ऑप्शन बी?
मैम सी रामायण.
Ramayan, all right. So everyone agrees, or does
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
have a different option? All right, that is wrong. It is Mundak Upanishad. So moving further, what is the new name of the old colony of Northern Rhodesia? So this was in Africa, right? So at time, you know, when foreign countries were ruling Africa, they had their own names for their colonies. So जो अभी प्रेजेंट वाले नेम्स है ये तो लेटर ऑन आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस उनके आए हैं. तो नॉर्दर्न रोडेशिया कौन सी कंट्री थी? हाँ जी बच्चे, चलो गेस वर्क कर देते हैं. ज़ाम्बिया, जिम्बाब्वे, युगांडा और टैंजानिया. यस, व्हाट डू यू से? All right, Sonali will go with option 1, Zambia. So everyone agrees with Sonali? I hope you do. Oh, that is correct. So which among the following Indian universities has the jurisdiction all over India? So this is something new. So is it Delhi University or JNU? JNU is Jawaharlal Nehru University, right? Then is it Vishwa Bharati Shanti Niketan? This was established by Tagore. Or is it Sampurananda Sanskrit University in Varanasi? हाँ जी बच्चे. So इसका भी any guesses? What do you think would be the answer?
मैम डी संपूर्णानंद संस्कृत यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी.
All right, let me check. Wonderful, that is correct. Okay. So Cannes, Venice, Karlovy Vary and Montreal. So these are famous international film festivals. In which of the following countries Karlovy Vary is located? हाँ जी. So is it in Spain, Switzerland, Czech Republic or Russia? तो आपने ये सुना होगा कैन्स में मूवी सिलेक्ट हो गई. राइट? तो इनमें से कहाँ है कार्लोवी वेरी? एनी गेसेस? तो कैन्स में उसका भी काफी कवरेज होती है.
मैम.
स्पेन. Okay, so it is Czech Republic. So Czech Republic is also a country in Europe towards the east side, right? So All India Radio started its operation with its original name, Indian Broadcasting Company in, so was it 1927, 32, 36 or 47?
Ma'am, 1947.
47? All right, let's see. Okay, so it was 20 years before, it was in 1927. All right, let's move to the next question. So which among the following means of transport in India carries maximum number of passengers during the year? ये थोड़ा इजी है, ये तो आप कर सकते हो.
Ma'am, Indian Railways.
All right, let's check. That is correct. So what is the ratio of English and Hindi speaking people in the world? Now see, this is so totally guesswork. We can't know, right? So हाँ जी, इसमें कौन सा होगा?
Ma'am, 65-35.
65-35 चेक कर लेते हैं. Good, that was a good estimate. So short goal is crime. Who said these words? महात्मा गांधी, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, डॉक्टर होमी भाभा और प्रोफेसर जेसी बोस. हाँ जी बच्चे. Out of these four, who said these words? Any estimate? चलो कोई भी हम गेस वर्क कर देते हैं. Should we go with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that is correct. So now match the museum and its place. So Ashutosh Museum, Prince of Wales Museum, we have Calico Museum and we have Raja Kelkar. All right, so refer to the options for matching. So अगर इसमें से आपको कोई भी आता है तो उससे भी आपका आंसर सॉल्व हो सकता है, राइट? अगर आपको एक भी आता हो. हाँ जी बच्चे. So any idea about Prince of Wales Museum? हाँ जी, yes बच्चे. What do you think?
नो
No idea. चलो फिर
मैम, राजा केलकर म्यूजियम का पता है मैम, पुणे में है.
राजा केलकर का.
मैम यस मैम, ये पुणे में है.
तो फिर ये वाला ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं ना, D4 वाला, कि ये सही है कि नहीं. See, that is correct. So Ashutosh Museum is in Kolkata. Prince of Wales is in Mumbai. Calico is in Ahmedabad and Raja Kelkar is in Pune. All right. So National Science Day is celebrated every year on. This is easy. हाँ जी. So what do you say?
मैम फेब्री है मैम.
Feb कौन सा?
मैम 25 और 28 में कंफ्यूजन है.
Okay, sure. I can help you with that. It is 28. Right. So you were close. So I think we had discussed this earlier in the class also. ये Raman effect जो हुआ था discover, उससे ये science day का रखा गया. So in which state is Jawahar Tunnel located? So we have a lot of tunnels, Atal Tunnel, Jawahar Tunnel, right, connecting various regions and उनके आपस का distance को कम करने के लिए. So Jawahar Tunnel कौन से उसमें है state में? ये भी बच्चा आप गेस कर सकते हो वैसे. करेक्ट आंसर यू
मैम
विल जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. हाँ जी बच्चे, यू वांट मी टू गो विद बी ऑप्शन?
yes ma'am.
All right, so that is correct. Wonderful. So we can check also Jawahar Tunnel. ये भी recently I think बनी है. अच्छा नहीं, it's पुरानी, ये तो पुरानी है. So it is also called Banihal Tunnel and named after the first Prime Minister, constructed for round the year surface transport between 1954 and 56. So between Srinagar and Jammu. All right. So which among the following is a hotspot for biological diversity in India? Right. So again, I am not sure if you are familiar with this term. Hotspot के ना जो biological diversity वाले hotspots होते हैं. So they also have a criteria कि वहाँ पे कितनी % जो vegetation है that should be endemic. Endemic के वो वही region में ही मिलती है. Right. कितने ऐसी wildlife का भी criteria है. And then also there is a criteria कि कितनी % loss हो चुकी है. Right. कितनी % degrade हो चुकी है. So for using this criteria, there are various biological diversity hotspots all over the world, right? And इसका target यही है कि इनको हमने areas को special ध्यान देना है and इनको बचाना है. So इनमें से कौन सा है? चिलिका लगून, ईस्टर्न घाट्स, सुंदरबंस और वेस्टर्न घाट्स. ये भी आपने न्यूज में पक्का कहीं ना कहीं रीड किया होगा, because a lot of committees have been
सुंदर-
formed. हाँ जी, सुंदरबंस. Let's check. Okay, it is Western Ghats. इस पे ना 2 committees भी specially बनाई गई to suggest measures to save this area, right? So there was Kasturi Rangan committee, then there was another committee. तो उन्होंने जो भी दिए थे, like जैसे जो भी बेस्ट कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी होती है ना, उससे नो डाउट सारे फॉरेस्ट को, वाइल्ड लाइफ को असर पड़ता ही है. So those committees had suggested to keep that activity to the minimum. So ikebana is a Japanese form of, so I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it modern painting, martial art, flower arrangement or agricultural practice? तो बच्चे फटाफट से ये करते हैं. This will be the last one. हाँ जी. So what do you say? Painting है, martial art है, flower arrangement है कि agricultural practice है? कोई भी एक पिक कर लो. हाँ जी, गुरप्रीत, जसविंदर, निखिल, विशाल.
मैम फ्लावर अरेंजमेंट. मैम
Alright.
ikebana.
That is good. That was correct. So that was wonderful. All right, students. So the class might end any moment. So I'll end the class. Right. So thank you for taking part in the GK quiz. However, I am not happy with the less strength, but thank you to those who turned up for the class. All right. So see you next week.